Alright, this is Paradise Island in Largo, an annual client on this TPO roof soft wash. Community roofing, mule hide TPO roof. So we'll be removing the organics and the oxidation's pretty oxidized. That dull white coating on there you can see. Alright, and get this back into perfect shape. No issues so far. All of the seams perfect. I don't see any impact spots, and vents sealed properly. Not a fan of doing skylights this way, but that's how they do them. We like to get bigger curbs. We do 4-inch curbs with aluminum bases. Put the aluminum bases under the insulation, and then flash the curbs with TPO up and over, and then put our lids on. And personally, that's personal preference. I don't like my TPO roofs relying on caulk. Like this right here is already separating, and you can see the caulk is actually cracking. So those are all going to be potential leaks in the future. We don't want that. After we're done cleaning today, I'm going to reseal these with some OSI and make sure that they don't become problems. I mean, you can see. So that's why I'm not a fan of that. I mean, there is most likely caulking underneath that flashing. Water will find a way. That's what I know. And so doing this, to me, is a no-no. We don't do that. But it's already here on this roof, so we will just do our best to reseal it. You can see it's separating just about all the way around on the top here. Alright, so those are why clean to preserve, why you want us on your roof every year. Annual inspections, finding things like that. In the beginning, of course, keeping the roof clean and free of organics and oxidation so it'll live its longest life. But issues like that, solving those before they do damage to the underlayment, get into the subroof ceilings, and create huge problems. So, my lecture is over with. We're going to get to work now. Of course, lay out the cleaning solution, let it dwell. We're doing a house soft wash here as well, and we are stuck on something. So we'll get all that done, and if not showing you some in progress, we'll at least show you the final. So, all right, now we are complete except for I'm going to let it dry and then seal up these skylights. And this is what we have now. All the organics and oxidations removed, nice and shiny and white, and all set. And let's wrap. Alright. It is TPO. Beautiful.